Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to make something like this, but they're having trouble on how to make this ring like right in the middle and kind of go right to the edge. And first of all, the one I'm doing it for, he said he's got to make a lot of these at different sizes. All you have to do is, make that. And you could have as many sizes as you want. Now, I don't know if he means many sizes, different colors. But anyway, here we go. So what we're going to do, we're going to just do this real quick. We're going to take holding down the control button to get a perfect circle. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, which is pretty important. And then I'm going to take an ellipse and hit P. Now, I'm going to make this 12 inches. That put it to the outside of our, or to the inside. But now we want it to the outside. So we're going to grab our oblong ellipse and go to Effect, Contour to the outside just a ½ inch. And look at that. Now, I strongly suggest you take it all and go up to Object and break the objects apart. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete the lines you cannot or should not be able to see. And if you want to get, if you want your lines not to be in your graphic, I would strongly suggest smart filling, and take your smart fill tool, set on black, nudge it over, change it to that blue. And there you have it. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.